Alright, welcome back. Now till now you have learned nouns, pronouns, adjectives. You can build sentences, you can describe things, but something is still missing. How you say something. And that's what today is about. Adverbs. Why adverbs matter? Let me show you something. She speaks, correct, but incomplete. She speaks confidently. Now you understand how she speaks. That's the power of adverbs. They can't change the sentence, they upgrade the meaning. What is an adverb? Real concept. Now the real concept, an adverb gives extra information. It can describe a verb, an adjective, even another adverb. Example, she runs very quickly. Quickly describes runs. Very describes quickly. So, adverbs create layers of meaning. Types of adverbs. Now let's organize. Adverbs are of different types: manner, time, place, frequency, degree. Each one answers a different question. Adverbs of manner. First type, manner. How something happens. Examples: quickly, slowly, carefully. She runs quickly. This is the most common type, and it directly improves your speaking. Adverbs of time. When something happens. Examples: now, yesterday, tomorrow. I will call you tomorrow. This helps you place actions in time. Adverbs of place. Now, place. Where something happens. Examples: here, there, everywhere. She looked everywhere. Very useful in storytelling and conversation. Adverbs of frequency. Now, frequency. How often? Examples: always, often, sometimes, rarely. I always wake up early. This is very common in daily speaking. Adverbs of degree. Now, degree. How much or how strong? Examples: very extremely, too. She is very happy. This is extremely important. These add density. Position of adverbs. Important. Now this is where learners struggle. Adverbs can come in different position. Beginning. Sometimes I feel tired. Middle. I always study at night. End. She speaks clearly. Now, listen carefully. Position can change meaning or emphasis. So, placement matters. Adverbs versus adjectives. Now, a very common confusion. Adjective describes noun. Adverb describes verb. Example: she is quick. She runs quickly. Many learners mix this. She runs quick. Wrong. She runs quickly. Right. Avoid common mistakes. Let's fix real mistakes. Mistake 1. Using adjective instead of adverb. Mistake 2. Wrong form. Example: He speaks good. Wrong. He speaks well. Right. Mistake 3. Overusing very. Instead, use stronger words. Real expression upgrade. Now let's upgrade real sentences. He speaks well. Better. He speaks very confidently. She works hard. Better. She works extremely efficiently. Now your English sounds more fluent, more natural, more confident. Practice. Now your turn. She signs. Add how. She drives. Add how. They work. Add frequency. Practice like this daily. This is how you improve naturally. Conclusion. Let's wrap this up. Adverbs. Add clarity, improve style, create natural flow. And remember this: what you say matters, but how you say it matters more. So from today, start using adverbs consciously.